but we are here to protect the citizens of the state.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today explicitly clarified that the altercation that happened in Mahadev Kola on Monday was purely an stand-alone incident and there is no religious or communal color to it. The background of the involved individuals have been studied and they do not belong to any organization established, Sangma thereby requesting everybody not to jump into conclusions giving a communal or religious angle as it leads to unnecessary tension. He also reiterated saying that if certain news channels who resort to spreading misinformation without verification facts, action will be taken against them.
Very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. We will take action against agencies that do unnecessarily create this kind of a picture.
A free hearing aid distribution camp was held yesterday at the state